What defines modern steel plate heat treatment? Precision, stability, and control. Yuantuo Induction delivers reliable through heating and quenching solutions for manufacturers worldwide. Yuantuo's through heating quenching line uses advanced induction technology designed for high-performance plate treatment in automotive, machinery, and tool industries. Induction heating brings steel plates to the target temperature rapidly and uniformly, minimizing oxidation and maximizing energy efficiency. Equipped with infrared sensors and PLC closed-loop control, the system monitors real-time temperature distribution to ensure consistent quenching quality. Modular inductor design allows fast maintenance and easy adaptation for various plate sizes. Fully automated operation, from loading and heating to quenching and unloading, reduces labor, boosts safety, and increases efficiency. High-efficiency power design reduces energy loss and harmonics. The smokeless, flameless induction process meets modern environmental standards. Yuantuo systems enhance hardness, strength, and toughness. An ideal choice for advanced steel heat treatment. Yuantuo Induction, your global partner in precision and reliability.